yoga mat. Get ready, guys. Today we're not going to need our dumbbells. I haven't even hydrated. Okay, Barbara James saying hello, Kevo. Okay, we start with plank, high modified like this. Make sure hip, knees, hip are aligned in one line. Non-modified, it's like this high plank. So push your shoulder blades up. So that happens by pushing your hands into the ground. All right, now we go to the side plank. Modified, knee is touching down. Non-modified. All right, so don't let your hip fall down like this. Contract, and if that happens, adjust and bring it back up. Beautiful. Now, let's go on the other side. If you did the modified on the previous one, on this one you also do the modified. All right, hold it. So the elbow should be right below the shoulder. All right, now next one we go again to high plank, but with a twist. You kick through, make sure the leg goes past the opposite leg when you kick through. Beautiful. Wonderful, guys. Now we are going to this position. Lift knees from the ground. Feet are shoulder width apart. Core tight. Beautiful, guys. Wonderful. Now we're going to recumbent bicycle. Kevo saying let's go. Wonderful, Kevo. Great to see you back. Core tight. All right, next one, we are down here. When you come up, you bring the elbow to the opposite knee. You go down again until shoulders are fully on the ground. Come, opposite knee. Elbow touches the opposite knee. Beautiful. Now we're going to this position. Tighten your core the hamstring, the glutes. So this one also works the hamstring, glutes, and calves. This is called reverse plank. All right, now go back down. Now we're just sliding our palms on the thighs from halfway until the fingers are touching the kneecap. Exhale while coming up, inhale while going down. Beautiful, wonderful. Okay, now we're going to hip dip. So you go down like this, you push the hip up. Modified, it's the knees that is touching the ground. And going down, make sure you're controlling the descent. Don't hit the side of your hip hard into the ground. Beautiful. The other side. Let's go. So I'm exploding up, but coming down slowly. Beautiful. Now, like this, now we're going to scissors. If you want to make it difficult, you can straighten your feet a bit more. Crisscross. Beautiful. Now, lie down flat, right figure 4. So you come up, you bring this elbow to the opposite knee, just stay on that side. Inhale going down, exhale coming up. Beautiful. Let's go on the other side. Elbow to knee. Let's go. Wonderful. Final round. All right. Now, final round, we do just traditional crunches. Slight bend in the knees. Beautiful. Wonderful, guys. Core workout done and sealed. I have to adjust the camera a little bit. Because we're going